Are professional athletes paid too much? In my opinion, professional athletes are paid too much based on what they actually work. I mean labor. According to the USA Today Sports, an AMLB is paid an average of $4 million. If you think about that, they really don't have to do much. Baseball is something they enjoy, something they like, and for most of them, they have a talent for it. Athletes make money playing the sports they are best at, but they also have endorsements for companies to commercialize their products. Companies like McDonald's, Kia, Rolex, Adidas, Under Armour, etc. I don't want to make a big deal of this, but years ago I heard a TV commentator say that David Beckham had more talent for modeling underwear than for playing soccer. According to OpenDoors.com, the top 3 best paid by endorsements in 2016 are Roger Federer, scoring at $60 million, LeBron James with $54 million, and Phil Mickelson with $50 million on top of the regular salary. So yes, I do think professional athletes are overpaid.